Sources of information can easily be in our hands as of now because of the technology. Smartphones and the internet are some of the examples of sources of information that we can get an information into it. Informations came from different types of sources. It may be an original or even not. Nowadays, informations are very important to us because it gives us knowledge of what is happening in our surroundings and also to our fellow countrymen. Informations can also help us to find things from the past or things that can lead to some further information in locating various things. COVID-19 has been a threat to all of us, and these weak called informations can help us to have further knowledge about the tragedy that we are facing in the current times or current situations, and also to the future and the future of our country. So, what are the different types of informations? First, I will discuss the two of the most important types of sources of informations. First, we have the primary source of informations, which came from an original source of or came from the writer. These kind of informations are very valid and very helpful to us because it came from directly to the writer, as I said, and it is studied very thoroughly. The examples of these kinds of informations are artifacts, government reports, symposia, photographs, speeches, and we have a lot more. So if you want to find the most reliable informations, you should find and go look rather in this kind of sources. The next one is we have the secondary types of sources, which are second-handed informations from the word itself. These informations are commentaries from the author or the original information. Informations like this are just derived from the original source or it came from an original source, but it is also valid. These examples of these kind of sources of informations are books, dissertations, articles, and other forms of sources of information. Secondary sources are helpful in your research, because it can give you informations that are alternative to the information you seek. And also, this came from the original source, so these are also reliable. These informations or kinds of informations help us to be updated in the current times or current happenings and the situation of our country. And these informations help us also to survive. Sources of informations like internet and smartphones are a big help in looking for different kinds of informations that we are seeking as of today or even in the past. Or if you have some thoughts that are bothering in your mind, you can go and look for this and go for this kind of sources of informations to address you or to help you and give you some tips or knowledge about something that you are seeking. And that's all for my video presentation or my advocacy video for the sources of information.